bring to you an unboxing of the Veer City Cruiser. Just like that, there's really no tools required, it's just minor assembly, wheels, trays, unpacking. The Veer City Cruiser is ready to take on your next adventure. Veer Cruiser City. The handles are in the opposite directions. The standard Veer Cruiser functions like a wagon, where it's more a pull wagon, where the Veer Cruiser pushes more like a stroller. So if you're gonna use a wagon in the city as a double stroller and a party vehicle, then the Cruiser City might be the wagon for you. If you're gonna take it on adventures, trails, beaches, and hikes, a pull wagon might be better. Now, what I love about the Veer Cruiser collection is the amount of accessories you can put on. You can change the side panels, you can add a basket, add coolers, add canopies, customize it to make it truly yours. If you're looking for a Veer Cruiser, visit BambiBaby.com and customize your cruiser today.